mountain range.
Throwing out the playbook again, right?
Yes, this comp does not use that playbook. Dow's shimmy.
Tell me where.
Are we giving a contest C?
Yes, we are. With Shrug right there. Filthy, take your pick on these islands here.
Right.
Twilight, do a little bit of bump and run down on the sea. You know what Gunner does, eh? Where you just tap it and then get the fuck out of there.
Good. Oh, yeah. I know what I do. I don't know what Gunner does.
Tim, are we going to go down the back or in the front, down the mid?
We're gonna go. Hold on.
On.
That way.
All right, that's what I thought. Okay.
Their battleship is a conch, so knocking out his support ships, he doesn't have much alpha strike. It's all about getting rid of cruisers on this one.
I'm thinking the Z-52 and the two Zows are who we're gonna see, boys.
They're running it somewhere.
At least it's rentals, those.
You'll see them first then.
It's 12K we figured out yesterday, or a couple days ago. For the detection on them rentals.
That's
Zows.
RPF.
That's my line.
Yeah, they're going to set up on this island right here.
If I don't spot anything when I clear this wheelhouse, you guys got to make a left turn.
Clyde.
I'm talking to my Zows, my side.
Yes, a left turn, Clyde.
I show nothing at B. There we go. Now I show something at B. Towards B.
There's the gearing.
So there's something closer than the gearing to me in the middle.
I don't show anything in the middle.
There's the Z-52s over here too. You guys have no DDs over there.
Okay.
My RPF was
I'm being focused too. Hard.
Twilight, just hide as best you can. Just hide as best you can, bud.
Beast, you ready for
radar, sonar, and all that shit.
About to go behind an island.
Got a rental Zow, got a Des Moines, and got a Conqueror.
Shit, they sent all the cruisers for a BC or a BA push.
All right, I'm going to kite out.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Okay, radar up on C.
Careful, Wahari. I'm going to launch torpedoes in 5 seconds.
I let them off.
I'm following your lead.
Watch my torps.
Oh, there's one Des Moines in the back there.
Problem solved, sir.
Yours look good, Vance?
Mine look good.
Okay, save mine then.
Engine boost deactivated. Critical engine damage.
Let's pick that Zow off.
Alright.
I'm gonna eat my torps. He's dead
He's
anyway.
Dead? He's dead? Okay. Switching to Farzal.
I'm not gonna live very much longer. My engine's out.
All right. I'm gone dark. I'm gonna try to get a.
Des Moines behind the island.
All right, I see him. He's on the other side though. Oh shit! There's a Conqueror.
Yeah.
There's the other rental.
Wahari's
I'm
dark.
finally fucking dark.
I'm getting ready to radar C. Or, yeah, C. Radar's up.
That conch is pushing to C.
One more got shot. I'm dead. Dead.
Working down Eagle Dirt.
They're leaving B. They're running.
Yep. Only that Zao has shots on us, man.
All stations.
Finish
Who's-
that
who's
DM
hot
if you
mic?
can, gentlemen.
I don't know who's got the angry midget porn going in the background, but
Oh, it's the girls are all talking. I'm gonna turn the mic off.
No, no.
all right, Vance, you got away.
Shrug,
You
that
gotta push.
DD's
Stay
got.
with me, guys.
Shrug, hit your hydro. That DD's got to be coming around behind you.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. He's just sitting there.
Okay, I got shots on Z52. I'm gonna take them.
Filthy, can you finish that DM?
About working on it. That really ought to do it. Did.
Shit, I didn't know you had another chamber.
They got one in the cap still. Got to be on the other side of this island. Yep, there he is.
Well, I'm
Trying
going
to finish
into
down that
C.
Z.
Yeah, I'll come with you. We got to run this destroyer out.
Yeah, and watch for the other one over
Cut
here.
yourself
he's,
right,
he's,
Wahari.
he's leaving. He's leaving.
What? I am right. I'm focused on that Z. All right, it's down.
You got a Des Moines right on your. Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
Never mind.
backing
He's
up.
on the other. Yep.
I'm gonna nose into the cap stop points.
Yep.
There's your radar. Nope, never mind. I can see you.
The DM's backing up, Gunner.
Yeah, you're gonna get a clean shot because I'm
Okay,
chasing. him.
both their DDs are dead.
Alright, Vance looks like he's pushing into this cap, which is good because I'm gonna get reset in a second.
You're gonna blat that.
I am.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Watch out! I got torps going at him.
Well, in that case, I'm turning a different angle. Oh, Pierce hit.
Yep, he's gone.
Our team has taken the lead.
And
Well
I'm
detected.
to run out of fuel.
Now, can I get out of Wahari's torps?
Can I get out of Gunners?
Yep, I got out of yours.
Okay, and I got out of yours.
Fuck.
I'm dark.
I'm dark.
That's cap, that's 2 caps.
I'm dead.
Hey, put up a hell of a struggle there, Shrug.
Finish that conch, boys.
Fuck no, I'm beached, I'm not moving.
He's burning.
Burning hard. Conch's dead.
He's gonna burn up.
Sal's gonna run. That's game.
Yep.
Our victory is in
Good
sight.
job, guys.
Thinking I'm liking this comp with this team.
That's the second time I went into sea, got perma-spotted and targeted by 4 ships. That's not a good spot for a DD to be. Although it did stop the cap on him for a while.
Yeah, I like that spot actually. I like it. As in the gearing. What were you in?
Gary.
Gearing.
Okay.
But I had both DDs, one on each flank, and then a fucking Des Moines. And I had some fucking people shooting at me from fucking B as well. So.
Yes, but while they had their guns turned like that, while they were busy shooting at you, they were also giving broadsides to both of our Zows.
Nice.
So
I kept them busy as long as I could. I stayed alive for a little bit.
Yeah, no, you lived as long as you were going to. That's
Play nice there, Gunny.
I only got dark one time. I was about to make my escape and got under sonar again. What's that?
I'm a good long range shooter. Let's see if I'm as good as I say I am. So. Oh yeah, baby. Bye.
He's gonna
Nice
burn
knowing.
out.
Yeah, before my shells get there. You suck. No,
Goddamn
don't burn out.
Filthy
Don't.
steals another one.
Fuck.
I didn't steal it. You- Jesus.
You've been taking too many
don't-
lessons from
he,
Filthy.
He needs to change his name from Filthy to Killsteal.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Okay, we've made
League 1.